Hello friends, I'm Arpita, your DIY friend. So today I will show you how to make morning skincare routine with all DIY items. Let's start the video. So friends, let's make face cleanser. For this we will need aloe vera gel, honey and rose water. And we will take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of rose water and 1 tablespoon of honey. So mix them well. Your face cleanser is ready. And hello friends, to make coffee scrub we need 1 spoon of sugar, 1 spoon of olive oil and 1 spoon of coffee grounds. Mix them all to get the coffee scrub ready. Friends, to make face mask I will take 1 to 2 spoon of curd, 1 spoon of honey and 1 spoon of turmeric. Mix them all to get your face mask 3 tablespoons of cucumber juice, 2 tablespoons of rose water and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. So take 1 spoon of aloe vera gel, 1 spoon of coconut oil and few drops of vitamin E oil and mix it well. And your body moisturizer. So let's mix them. Take 1 tablespoon of spoon, 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of honey. Let mix it well and your lip scrub is ready. Friends, let's make lip balm. So here I will take 1 tablespoon of Vaseline. You can take little more also, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and mix them well. There I have. If you don't have the lip color, you can just leave it natural, or if you have an old lipstick, you can just melt it and add it. Mix it well and it just give a tint of color to your lip. You can also add vitamin E oil or essential oil, but here I am not going to use any of them because I will be using 3 ingredients. So mix it, mix it, mix it. Store it in a small jar. Here we will take 2 spoons of sea salt oil, 1 spoon of scoop of coconut oil and few drops of lemon juice. Mix it well. And your foot scrub is ready.